lucky enough to have an UpGarage here locally. Get some parts. Alright guys, just got permission to film. Whenever you're in Japan, you definitely want to always ask the shop owner or wherever you're at, you know, to film. Definitely a different culture over here. A lot of customs and courtesies out here, so definitely just make sure you guys are aware of that stuff. But we definitely have a lot of things here. They got some ECUs, intakes, pistons, got some rims and tires over there. Turbo system for R34, Momo steering wheel, R32 bumper there, another R32 bumper up there. Sorry if the camera's a little shaky. I literally just left the gym and rushed over here because I actually have to work today. But I was too excited to come see if the valve covers came in, so I'm gonna do a quick vid for you guys and then jet out of here so I can get to work. So I definitely don't have like my camera set up, which isn't much right now. I'm just doing off my phone, but I do have like a little stick, I guess you could say, to kind of stabilize everything. Strap bars here. Head units. Luckily for me, when I put the head unit in the R34, I got a US version, so whenever I do go back to the States, it should be able to work pretty well without any trouble. Because if you do have like a Japanese setup, obviously like the frequency, it just doesn't work the same. So definitely, if you come out here, try to get a US setup, order it offline or something. Tons of headlights, a lot of Toyota headlights. Let's see, Suzuki, Sonar. Just a ton of stuff here. This UpGarage, I mean, definitely not as good as the one on mainland. However, they are very good with their customer service here. They can source parts out for you and all that, so don't be discouraged. If you get to Okinawa and you don't feel like there's parts, you just got to go out and source them yourself. But they are available, as you can see. Just picking up stuff all the time from here. So tons of rims. UpGarage is kind of known for their rims, I guess. Lots and lots of selections from their different shops. But of course, they have their performance parts as well. So I don't know if anybody from Europe's watching or anything like that, but curious to know if you guys have anything similar to something like this. Leave a comment down below if you guys do have anything like this out there. Ooh, got some nice SSR wheels. Definitely a little bit more luxury style, but still cool. Got some nice meat there. Like the tread, looks sticky. So that's gonna do it, guys. Just a quick vid, quick walk around for you guys here at the UpGarage. All right, luckily they are in amongst all the parts that was ordered here. Great condition, looking good. Definitely gonna get these powder coated later on. All right, what's going on, guys? Back at it again. So just want to show you guys a little bit of some of the things I've been collecting and finding online for the R34. So picked up a R34 V-Spec 2 rear bumper, genuine Nissan part. Got the Project Mu brake rotors front and rear. Got the pads to match, and then got the Nismo lines with the endless brake fluid. Next we have what you guys saw over at Tokyo Auto Salon when we went to the Omori Factory. Have the intake. Also have the Brid seat rail. Gonna get some Brids in there. And then we have the Nismo old logo strut bar. So found that while I was on Yahoo auctions as well. And as you guys saw earlier from UpGarage, picked up the RB26 valve covers. Gonna retrofit them to the RB25, just have it look clean. Still deciding on what color I'm gonna powder coat everything. Debating on either yellow or a satin silver finish for the brakes and valve covers. So drop a comment down below what you guys think I should do, either silver or yellow. So today I'm going to install a few of these parts along with what we picked up over at the Omori Factory. So stay tuned. Alright, some of the quick mods I'm going to be putting on today from the Omori Factory that I picked up. So the shift pattern, it's actually it's like a little metal shift number here from Nismo. I had the sticker on there previously. As you can see, I just took it off, but this is a lot nicer obviously, so upgraded to this. Also going to be adding the Nismo blue mirror covers. Alright, let's go ahead and unwrap this. Alright, so these look awesome, as you can see. It has the Nismo logo sketched in, looking awesome. I think this is going to go really well against the Bayside blue, so let's check it out. Alright, so that's super nerve-wracking because obviously it's just it's a one-time deal, so once you stick it on, you can't really take it off to readjust. So luckily I knocked it out 2 for 2. It looks awesome. Show you guys up close. Alright, we got the number plate there. Got the Nismo shift knob. Actually, I have the old logo shift knob as well. Gonna be putting that on. And then we just installed the Nismo mirrors, which looks amazing with the Bayside blue. So just little subtle touches, you know guys, when you're modding the car. Other people may not notice it, but when they do, you know, it's those subtle touches that make it. Now we're gonna install the old Nismo logo strut bar. Back there. And the Nismo strut bar is now installed. So that's pretty cool to have the old logo on there. Straight from the Omori Factory. So that's the coolest part about it, is me actually going there and picking this up personally. Definitely a lot more of a sentimental value with all the parts that I've gotten here in Japan. So pretty cool. Let's put this on. Alright guys, so had to actually scrap the Nismo intake duct here, so it didn't fit with the HKS intake, so it was actually hitting right here. So we're just gonna have to hold on to it, keep it until I upgrade my turbo system and scratch this HKS intake, and hopefully I can get that in there afterwards once all this is cleaned up. So obviously big plans for the RB25. I'm going to go with the Plasma Man intake manifold, get some custom piping down here, upgrade the intercooler, just a whole bunch of stuff. Obviously we're going to have the RB26 valve covers on there. So tons and tons of plans for this coming up. So I was going to end the video, but just wanted to show you guys the Nismo mirrors here. They're actually really clear at night. Actually makes driving at night a lot easier, like helps with the glare as well. So definitely a good upgrade for the 34 here.